Quick newspaper bag. How to make a quick newspaper bag with a single newspaper. Just take a newspaper, already folded half. One more time you have to book fold, and you just have to see where the open sides are. Just fold from there, take a stapler, put 2 pins, that's enough. This side where lots of open space is there, you have to fold it from there. It's an approx 1 inch fold, and place 3 more, and here your bag is ready. Now fold it from the center to make a handle. Here you just have to draw alphabet U. Either you can cut with the scissor, even with the bare hand you can just tear that portion and make the handle. And here we go, your handbag is ready. A quick newspaper bag. Thank you. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know what next you would like to learn.